Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore deleted photos from Android phone. You have to go to Play Store and download an application called Disk Digger. This is that application. You have to install this. After that, open that application, and now there is an option Start Basic Photo Search. Click on that option, and now click on Go to Settings. You have to give the permission and turn on this option. Then hit back, and it will start scanning for your deleted photos. Here you can see my deleted photos are getting restored. If you want to restore any photo, and then select that photo and then click on recover. You will get three options. You can use any of them. Click on second option. Now you have to choose the folder and then use this folder. Allow. Now your restore is complete. You can go to your gallery and get that photo. You can see this is how you can restore old deleted photos. Thank you everyone.